Hi and welcome to this quick installation video of Veeam Backup for Microsoft Office 365. In this video you'll see how to install Veeam Backup for Microsoft Office 365 in just 3 minutes. Before you can install Veeam Backup for Microsoft Office 365, you will first have to go to the Veeam website and download the software by logging in with your credentials. Once you have downloaded the zip file with the specific files needed to install Veeam Backup for Microsoft Office 365, you will notice that there are two specific setup files. The first one is related to installing Veeam Backup for Microsoft Office 365, and the second one is related to install Veeam Explorer for Microsoft Exchange. The installation for Veeam Backup for Office 365 is very simple, and you can install it by running the setup file. Afterwards, selecting Next, Next, then selecting the installation path, and finally the solution will be installed on your computer. Once the installation has finished, you can continue with installing the Veeam Explorer for Microsoft Exchange by running the setup file and following the steps throughout the wizard by selecting Next and finally having the software being installed. The next step is to install the license which you have obtained when downloading the software. Creating a backup job in Veeam Backup for Microsoft Office 365 is very simple to do. By selecting the Backup button, you will get the new Backup Job wizard, allowing you to create a backup job for your organization. Initially, you will have to define a name as well as a description for your backup job. On the second step, you will be able to select which mailboxes you want to backup. If you want to backup all the mailboxes in your organization, you can select the first option. However, it is possible to specifically define which mailboxes you want to backup. You can do this by searching for a specific mailbox and adding it specifically into the organization. On the next step, you will define your backup proxy as well as your repository. And on the final step, we have the scheduler, which allows you to configure when you want to run the backup job. By default, this will run every day at 3 p.m. However, it is perfectly possible to modify this to run only, for example, on work days, weekends, or on specific days. You can even adjust it to run it every, for example, 5 minutes or every hour to do a successful backup of the organization. And that's it. We've downloaded, installed and configured Veeam Backup for Microsoft Office 365 in 3 minutes.